What is up, ninjas? My name is Simral and I'm here to show you guys the best tropical pop vocal plugin out there. Now, quick spoiler, it's not gonna be Melodyne. I know no one can sing, I know we all know, and it's a pain in the ass to use it, of course, but it's not Melodyne, so don't worry about it. It's actually gonna be a dope plugin if you're using sample pack vocals and whatnot, so you can use this plugin to get those sample pack vocals, manipulate them so that you can get them to sound like your favorite artists like DJ Snake, Diplo, and of course Martin Garrix himself. Now, this plugin does stuff that we winners already enjoy, because if you're using Ableton, you're the top of the class. You don't settle for second best, you don't settle for third best. You know, we're not FL, we're not Logic Pro. Now, the plugin we're talking about today, guys, is gonna be the Little Alter Boy. You're gonna have a little pitch knob that you can turn, little format knob that you wanna be gentle with, and you're also gonna have a distortion unit right next to it where you can increase the drive, and it gives you the sound of tropical pop vocals. So we can do a lot with this plugin. We can do drops where if you have a vocal run, like, you can distort it, do things to it, put reverb on it to make it sound like most tracks out there right now in the tropical pop genre. Now, before we go any further, guys, I apologize for saying Ableton is better than all the other plugins. It's not my fault, it's the best, but I mean, sorry for saying that. I'm just kidding, guys. You guys know I joke around like that, but let's get straight into it, okay? Let's go use this bad boy.
All right, what is up, ninja? So we are here inside of the Beauty, inside of another Beauty, Ableton Live 10, and we are going to be going into the Little Alter Boy. Now, this is what it looks like, and very simply, guys, as stated before, it's very simple to use, and it gets the job done. It gives you guys also a taste of what Ableton can do without plugins, because we can do this without using this plugin, I'm not going to lie. But, you know, here we have a vocal run. Let's pitch it +7 up, which is the perfect fifth. We can add formant, which gives it a kind of weird vibe, but we have that in Ableton. You can move it up and down, and it helps you get different tonalities out of a simple sample vocal you have. So let's say we decide to go up around there. Then we have the mode, which is quantize. It tries to keep it in beat whenever she changes notes. It's like you're telling her, hey, hey, hey. And then you have the robot, which is just like the girl laying there. There is no movement at all. Literally, there's no emotion to that. There's no movement. There's no passion. I think you guys know what I'm talking about for those of you that are 18 and over. Now, to the right of that, we do have the drive, which will give us the sound of DJ Snake, Diplo, and whatnot. So if we add a reverb and then we add an EQ that looks just like this, a little mountain, a little, you know, we can get really cool stuff. Now, if we also use like vocal runs, we get those. If we use vocal, we can mess with formats, as you can see, to get that sound that you just tend to hear a lot in tropical pop. Yes, it's generic, but if this is the sound you want, this is the plugin for you. Now, I was saying that we can do this inside of Ableton because we actually can. All we can do is do +7 transpose, as you can see here. We can do that there. We can go into Complex Pro, and now we have the formants knob. It does sound a little bit different than the one that the Little Alter Boy has, but then again, we can just apply an amp or an overdrive distortion here. You know, so you have access to that as well if you're in Ableton. But the Little Alter Boy does do it a bit differently, and it gives a different vibe, so it doesn't hurt to have it if you have $100 laying around and you don't want to waste it on beer and strippers. Then you can just go ahead and buy this already so that you have something fun to play with and you don't cave into your desires.
And that, guys, is gonna be the best tropical pop vocal plugin out there. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comments below on other plugins that we can use to get some cool vocal effects. I know Antares is a super dope plugin that they have a lot of vocal things as well, but they're expensive. This is $100, and with $100 you get the generic sound of today of pop. And if that's what you're going for, this is a hack, man. It's like a cheat code you're putting in on the N64 controller, XX0, you know, Zeta or Z at the back. Unlimited lives, man. Unlimited tropical pop vocals. I swear to God, guys, this is a cool plugin to have. You know, all jokes aside, in the end, guys, you know, it's super dope, and it does cause you to kind of want to make a little bit of that. Anyways, ninjas, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the plugin suggestion. You guys take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. And as always, guys, evilsounds.com is there for you guys that want sounds that work, that are specially made for genres. No big packs. We don't want trap kicks. I'm just trying to make big room. We got only big room packs. So check it out, and I'll see you guys next time. You guys take care, and you guys have an amazing day.